What's up guys, Saif Ashraf here. Today we're going to be reviewing the AirPods Pro 2. I think, in my opinion, the best Apple product of 2022. Let's get straight into the review. So inside the box of the AirPods Pro we get a USB-C to Lightning cable, some paperwork, and 3 air tip sizes. So that's extra small, small, and large, obviously having the medium on the actual AirPods. So not much has changed from the first generation AirPods Pro in terms of the design. The actual AirPods have changed the vent placement to the top of the AirPods, so not much of a difference there. Same shape overall. However, I do love the design of the AirPods Pro as it's very, very comfortable. The silicone tips on the actual AirPods Pro don't give you air fatigue at all, so it just completely shapes into your ear, and the tips are extremely, extremely soft. Sounds weird. I do edit with these AirPods Pro, and I also listen to music for a longer range of time, and I also go on quite a few calls like Discord calls, FaceTime calls, and I do use the AirPods Pro. And unlike the previous headphones that I had, the Galaxy Buds Plus, they gave me air fatigue after quite a long time, but these are very comfortable inside your ear. The case has changed a little bit. There are now speakers on the bottom of the case in case you lose your AirPods case, which I know a lot of people do. The case also has precision finding with, of course, the H2 tip, such as the AirTags. So what the AirTags have, you basically have with your AirPods Pro. The AirPods Pro case also has a lanyard loop thing on the side of the AirPods Pro case, in case you're one of those people that like having your AirPods hanging off their wrist all the time. Just put the case in your pocket. But overall, the case is really similar to the AirPods Pro first generation. Of course, we have the MagSafe charging, wireless charging, Lightning on the bottom, which I hope was USB-C, but we don't get USB-C, obviously, Apple being Apple. But overall, not much has changed with the design of the AirPods Pro or the case except for the speakers, lanyard loop. And you have the H2 chip with precision finding, so that's all. The battery life, however, has been improved. So with the actual AirPods Pro, with noise cancellation on, you'll get about 6 hours of listening time and about 7 to 8 hours with noise cancellation off and transparency off. And you have an extra 30 hours with the case. So if you put your AirPods in your case, you have an extra 30 hours until the case eventually dies out. Charging is also quite quick. Obviously, I told you we have Lightning charging. And you can also use your Apple Watch charger to charge your AirPods Pro 2, because why not? Alright, let's get to the sound, transparency, and noise cancellation on the new AirPods Pro 2, which have all been improved massively. So like I said, the H2 chip inside the AirPods Pro is brand new, and Apple claimed that it will be making noise cancellation up to 2 times better. Now, I don't know about the 2 times claim, but the noise cancellation has been improved from the original AirPods Pro. I have been on quite a lot of public transport, on the streets, and just in home in general, and the low frequency noises such as your microwave and like cars on the street, it does block it out very, very nicely. I think that the Apple AirPods Pro 2 actually do noise cancellation better than most of the other headphones on the market, such as the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro, etc. I think that the AirPods Pro do it best, even though I have heard a couple of other headphones, such as the Galaxy Buds Pro 2, the new ones. So yeah, overall I think the AirPods Pro 2 do noise cancellation best, and you won't be disappointed. And it can be a solid upgrade from the original AirPods Pro first generation. Now, we also have transparency mode, which basically allows all the sound around you to come in. And I absolutely love transparency mode on the AirPods Pro. The AirPods Pro sound crisp. You can hear everyone's voices around you. You can hear cars, you can hear trains. You can hear everything. So if you are on the street and you want to be aware of the surroundings, it will be just fine. If you're also in a room and you're listening to music but at the same time want to hear if someone calls your name, you'll also be able to hear them completely crisp. Also, because the AirPods Pro are extremely comfortable, I have been forgetting that I am wearing AirPods Pro with the transparency mode on, because everything just sounds so natural. So I really do recommend using transparency mode if you are out and about and you want to be aware of your surroundings. Noise cancellation is great, but transparency mode is amazing. Apple also added adaptive transparency this year with the Apple AirPods Pro, which basically means if there is a sudden loud sound, it won't play that extremely loud sound into your ear, but it will actually tone it down. I haven't really heard a lot of the adaptive transparency mode stuff actually happening in the background. I did hear my brother scream once and it did go down a little bit. But apart from that, yeah, that's all I've heard from the adaptive transparency. But overall, even without that feature, transparency mode is great. Alright, let's talk about the sound on the AirPods Pro. The AirPods Pro have improved on the sound quite a bit from the last AirPods Pro Generation 1, especially in the bass area. Apple have done new drivers for the new AirPods Pro, and I can say it has made a huge difference. If you are listening to a lot of hip-hop music or bass-heavy music, then yes, the AirPods Pro will sound a lot better. And no, it's not overridden with the bass. You will still be able to hear the musician. You still will be able to hear the instrumentals. Everything is balanced, but the bass feels so nice and clean. I have been listening to SZA's new album, SOS. And yes, yeah, amazing album, by the way. But yeah, it does sound great, especially with the Dolby Atmos spatial audio and everything. But yeah, if you do get these new AirPods Pro, listen to SZA's new SOS album and it'll sound great. And yes, I also did listen to her last 21 and Drake. Was it the best album? Don't leave it in the comments. So yeah, in conclusion, the sound on the AirPods Pro is great and has been improved from the AirPods Pro Generation 1. Noise cancellation is also much better. Transparency mode is just a great feature. The case has been improved to the point where you can now find your AirPods Pro with the speakers at the bottom, lanyard loop for the weird people that want their AirPods to hang off their wrist. But yeah, overall, these are the AirPods Pro we know and love, and Apple have done a great job and added features that really should have been there from the start. But yeah, great buy, great present. And yeah, with that said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.